Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at some more jokes. At my boxing club, there is only one punch bag. I hate waiting for the punch line. A magic tractor drove down the road and turned into a field. Old skiers never die. They just go downhill. What happens if a frog parks illegally? They get towed. They get towed. What do you call a baby monkey? A chimp off the old block. I ordered a book of puns last week, but I didn't get it. I hate jokes about German sausages. They're just the worst. The fattest knight at King Arthur's Round Table was Sir Cumference. He acquired his size from too much pie. What does Superman have in his drink? Just ice. Just ice. I smeared some ketchup all over my eyes once. It was a bad idea in hindsight. I was addicted to the hokey pokey, but I turned myself around.